Hi. Hi, so my name is Pazis Samun, IT 210846990. So here we have developed a web application where it's a online shopping cart where vendors, multi-vendors and users come and register themselves and sellers can sell their product and other customers can buy their product. So for that we have used uh, MERN stack for the development and then Kubernetes and Docker for containers. Kubernetes for the container. So as you see here we have deployment files and ingress file and service files as well for the each and every service. And then here we have different services for auth, delivery, email, and so on. And uh, so everything managed by Docker itself. So if I go here, it shows all the Docker images which running in the application and the Docker. These are the Docker pods running in the background. Sorry, Docker, not Docker pods, Kubernetes pods. So in this application, what my contribution is, there are two main parts, which email service and product service. Product service is the place where we create products, not create products, we add products to the cart to sell. So here, if I go to the store, there is already a product which I have already added under my name. So here I also can add a product. So for example, like uh, shawarma 2 and our type is and 100 rupees. Store 10 quantity. There is a quantity and choose what description. Yes. And here I can add a product. So you see there the product already added. So from the front end it's called for the respective service and in the respective service it's already added. So if I and for the uh, product which I have added already, so I go to the email 331 spams, not in the spams in the inbox. This is the record email which I have received regarding to that product I have added. So shawarma 2 price and quantity of all. Then here I can edit the product as well. Uh, Update and by confirm the product will be edited. That is already edited. And these all products have to be displayed in the customer view as well. So for that I have different customer account. So here it display different product based on each category for every uh, seller. So that is all about adding and weaving and uh, editing products. And I have already shown the email service which I have implemented as well. So how email service is called is that from the product service, if I go here and show the product, it called separate email service in the background. So that's all about my contribution. And so, yes, thank you.
Hello, I am Tarushina over there. IT 21057 106. In this application, I am the one develop order management system. In order management, uh, first the user can uh, order the product using by pressing add cart. Now we can see it is display message great product added cart successfully. If the same product already exists in the cart and by user pressing same product, it is getting error message called product is already in your cart. And Now we can see in the cart already exists the user order product, and we can change the quantity uh, or can remove the product, and pressing the checkout uh, in there we can see a checkout button. If the checkout button clicking, if shipping details are all not already exist, it is give shipping address form. So then submit, it is added, and now click checkout all the and we can pay payment. And it made the payment, it is successfully paid. So this is all the user side, all the details payment details show there, uh, and order create order display here. It is mail going to the user side, and then seller side, seller can see all the orders in seller in their order summary details, all the orders clearly sheet here, and in there uh, we can see the same order is in there. So all these things I am the one I implement here. So this is the things I implement. So in there I am using Docker as Docker and Kubernetes as my uh, environment. So all the things previously explained as the fuzzy, uh, same thing I am applying in there. So that is enough. Thank you very much.
Okay, I am Lakhind Virajit. My ID number is IT21066184. My functionality is authentication management, user management. This is my backend code and auth deployment. In my function, I am mainly focused on user. User can register using two types, customer and seller. If customer register, customer can only accessible for customer side. If seller register, seller only can accessible for seller side. If there is some validation also. If seller register, seller accessible for seller side. He or she can manage their profile like only this fields. Email, not email. If it's edit, we are again asked to log in. Like that. Also, customer can register their login credential. If there is some wrong, it's displaying error messages like this. Name and password is incorrect. If user login successful, he or she can access their things. If he or she try to access seller's right like that, it's not possible. Also, user can manage their profile like previous. Also, I do some validation like that. If there is no user, if user register only this profile and other things display, if not related to the login page, if you not user login, he or she cannot add product and go to the cart. If he or she try to access it, we are asked to log in again or register and login like that. Uh, this is my functionality. Thank you.
My name is select Sharadana. My IP number is IP21439032. So in our application, I handled the part where the delivery management system and the feedback system is handled. So let me first walk you through the delivery management system. So you can log into the system as a seller or an admin. So this is the admin interface for delivery management system. All the deliveries in our application are shown here under the date which it is placed, the total amount, the status, and the address where it should be delivered. So when I click this, the order address is shown here with the full name, address, phone number, country, state, city, company name, and postal code. So here, if I want to update the status of the delivery as a delivery admin, so let me first update the status of this deliver, which was placed on 24th of April under 1,100 amount. So and let me change the status from cancel to pending. It has been updated successfully. And in the order summary also, the same order is updated, the status is updated as pending. So here, the order in the order summary, the order list is also shown. So the difference between this order summary and this delivery list is only the delivery manager can update the status of the deliver. So as per the admin side, the user can also see the updated status of their delivery. So this is the user interface of for the users. So the users can check their order history by clicking this. So the order placed on 24th April under 1,100, the status is changed as pending, and they can see their order as well. So the delivery status is handled as that in delivery management system. So after a successful deliver, this user can give feedbacks about the delivery service or the food they received or anything about our application. So I handled that part as well. So let me demonstrate it as well. So you can click on one product. And you can see the previous reviews as well. So here you can add your review. So I added a validation here. If you just give the rating, star ratings, and you didn't put a comment, and if you add the review, error will be displayed as that. So let me do a successful review. And I will do the star rating, and if I add it, the rating successfully listed, and you can see the newly added delivery as well here. So that's all for my function for delivery management system and the feedback management system. So as the previous members also said, I use Docker and Kubernetes as the environment for my application. Thank you. That's it.